Looking for the perfect blend of adventure and everyday practicality? The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 might just be the dual sport motorcycle you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest rides hitting the market. Today, we're diving deep into Yamaha's refreshed classic that's turning heads both on and off the pavement. Design. The 2026 DT 175 stays true to its heritage while embracing modern styling. Yamaha has refined the bodywork with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The lightweight frame keeps the bike nimble, while the updated graphics give it a contemporary edge. The seat height remains accessible for most riders, and the overall ergonomics strike an excellent balance between comfort and control. It's a bike that looks equally at home on city streets and dirt trails. Performance. Under the tank, the air-cooled single-cylinder engine delivers smooth, reliable power. The 175cc displacement provides enough punch for highway cruising while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The 6-speed transmission shifts cleanly, and the suspension setup handles rough terrain surprisingly well. Whether you're commuting during the week or exploring back roads on the weekend, this bike delivers consistent performance without complaint. Features and technology. Yamaha has equipped the DT 175 with LED lighting throughout, improving visibility and energy efficiency. The digital instrument cluster is easy to read and provides all essential information at a glance. ABS comes standard, adding an extra layer of confidence in various riding conditions. The fuel tank capacity offers respectable range, and the maintenance intervals remain rider-friendly, keeping ownership costs reasonable. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha DT 175 proves that versatility doesn't require compromise. It's an honest, capable motorcycle that rewards riders looking for adventure without breaking the bank. What do you think about this updated classic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with fellow riders, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle content. Ride safe out there!